Hello students and parents, welcome back to my channel with another science tutorial video today. In my today's video, I am going to discuss some interesting facts about the mysterious black hole. So, let's get started. A black hole is a region of space-time wherein gravity is so strong that no matter or electromagnetic energy can escape it. Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity predicts that a sufficiently compact mass can deform space-time to form a black hole. The boundary of no escape is called the event horizon. A black hole has a great effect on the fate and circumstances of an object crossing it, but it has no locally detectable features according to general relativity. In many ways, a black hole acts like an ideal black body as it reflects no light. There are probably millions of black holes in the Milky Way alone, orbiting like the stars, but we cannot see them. Black holes are extremely dense pockets of matter, objects of such incredible mass and minuscule volume that they drastically wrap the fabric of space-time. These monsters of the universe are extremely undetectable unless they are feeding on space stuff or tugging on nearby stars. If you got really close to a black hole, you would get sucked in and never escape. Anything that passes too close, from a wandering star to a photon of light or even a human, gets captured. Scientists call this point of no return around a black hole the event horizon. The closest known black hole to Earth is believed to be 1000 light years away, so we are not getting sucked in. We cannot directly see a black hole. A black hole is called a black hole because of its color, especially since light can't escape. What we can see, though, is the effect of a black hole. Analyzing the surrounding area of a black hole, we can see its effects upon its environment. For example, a star that's close enough to a black hole can be seen being ripped apart. Our Milky Way probably has a black hole, but don't be scared. Earth is not in danger. The major black hole that astronomers believe to be within our Milky Way is light years away from Earth. Actually, the death of large stars lead to black holes because a star's gravity will overwhelm the star's natural pressure that it maintains to keep its shape. When the pressure from the nuclear reactions collapses, gravity overwhelms and collapses the star's core, and the star's other layers are thrown off into space. And this process is also known as a supernova. There are three categories of black holes. First one is primordial black holes. These are the smallest of black holes and range from an atom size to a mountain's mass. Second one is stellar black holes. These are the most common of black holes and they can be up to 20 times more massive than the Sun. There are also a variety of these all over the Milky Way. Third one is supermassive black holes. These are the largest of black holes, being more than 1 million times more massive than the Sun. Black holes are safe to observe from the lengthy distance, but not if you get too close, which also means that it's unlikely for a black hole to consume an entire universe. Different types of strange rumors are spread in human minds. Those are: matter may travel to the future in a black hole. Black holes produce fountains. Black holes can evaporate. Black holes may be surrounded by a wall of fire. Black holes could be dark matter. Scientists might have spotted black holes from another universe. We will soon have a clear picture of a black hole. There are likely millions of black holes in our galaxy, and we will probably never know where they are. If you fell into a black hole, you would never escape. So, I hope my today's video will become interesting for you. Definitely follow my all channel videos to get more and more this like interesting science related videos for you. Bye bye.